Today we are discussing about the refraction of light at curved surfaces based on problems. We know this refraction of light at curved surfaces. So many of the formulas we have obtained, but we know this first formula. It is the Lenz formula. First formula, Lenz formula. So that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. It is a Lenz formula. And the second one is curved surface formula or image formula. Curved surface or image formula is n2 by v or image formula. n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal n2 minus n1 by r. It is a formula of curved surface or image formula. And the third one is here, that is a Lenz maker formula. Lenz maker formula. Lenz maker formula. So that is a Lenz maker formula. 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So it is a three formula based on problems. Very important in examination point of view. So in this, so how many lens we have? Two lens. What are they? One is concave lens, another one is convex lens. One is concave lens, another one is convex lens. So here concave lens, here focal value always we are taking negative. Object distance negative. Image distance we are taking positive. So that is according to plus value or sometimes minus value also we are obtained. So here that is the characteristics of keep in your mind PE. So PE means enlarged or erect or virtual. So that is the characteristics of concave lens. And the convex lens, you know this, f is equal to plus and u is equal to minus, v is equal to plus. So if you, that is a formula Chitani. Keep in your mind Chitani. Chi means diminished or inverted or real image. According to sign convention law as well as characteristics of concave lens and convex lens. Go to the first problem number 1. An object is placed at a distance of 50 cm from a concave lens. Which lens? Concave lens. So concave lens, we know this sign convention and characteristics. U value always we are taking negative, U value negative, V value positive we are taking. And see here what we are giving, object distance is given, focal length is given. Find the nature of image. So here U is given data. What is the given data? Given data is according to given that question, that is given data. Given data is equal, here U is equal to 50 cm and focal length F is equal to 20 cm and image distance we are finding. So we know the lens formula. What is the lens formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So according to sign convention rules we are applied to here. 1 by f is equal to 20 and v is equal to similarly as well as, because of we are finding the v value, and u is equal to 50. So here, so according to sign convention v value, f value we are taking negative and here we are taking negative. And after simplification of this one 1 by 20. So here plus will take left side 1 by 50 is equal 1 by v. So here as 20 50 LCM is 100. 100 how many times it will go? 5 times. 5 into multiply 1 minus 5 and 50 how many times? 2 times. Multiply with 2 is multiply with minus 1 minus 2. We will get 1 by v. So we know this minus 7 is divided by 100. Minus 7 is divided by 100 is equal 1 by v. So here reciprocal of this value v by 1 is equal to 100 by 7. So negative. So here nearly we are obtained a 14 minus 14.29 we are obtained that value. So according to we are obtained, that is enlarged or erect visual image. Okay, and go through the problem number 2. So it is a characteristics of image distance. And one more thing, which lens? Convex lens. So focal length is equal to how much? 20 centimeters. So another one is they will given from the wall. So it is a object distance is given. So here according to we are applied to that what we are given, u is equal to given data. Given data means, so what we are given that question. So the E is placed at a 12 centimeter. U is equal to 12 centimeter. And one more thing, focal length f is equal to 10 centimeter. And so what we are finding here, we are finding lens should be an object be placed as real image on the wall. So here we are taking, so here V is equal 12 centimeter, F is equal 10 centimeter. Focal length is given 10 centimeter, and image distance is given, that is 12 centimeter. And what we are finding, u is equal to we are finding. So we know this formula, lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. According to sign convention rules, we are applied to that which lens? Convex lens. Convex lens we are taking always f value positive and u value negative. If you v value positive, that is virtual or real, we are taking. So here we are substituting these values here. 1 by f is equal 10 is equal 1 by v is equal 12, and minus u value is similarly as well as u is equal to minus, we are applied to here. 1 by 10 minus is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by u. So we will take left side. So 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. So the LCM of 10 and 12. 10 and 12. So it will take 5 times 3 times or 2 5s are 2 6s are. So 10 6s are. So 10 6s are here. 5 2s are 10 6s are 60. So here LCM is 60. Okay. How many times it will go? 6 times. And here 5 times. So here 1 by u is equal to so 6 minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by 60. The reciprocal value u by 1 is equal to 60 by 1. So it is 60 by 1 centimeters. It is that is in form of its real image on the wall. U is equal to 60 centimeters. And go through next problem number 3. Here, so which lens we are given? First you have to see. So that is a convex lens. And what we are given the question? A 5 centimeter tall of object. So object height is given. So object height is equal to 5 centimeter. And here focal length is equal to 20 centimeter. And object distance is equal to u is equal to 30 centimeter is given. So according to we are finding here v value we are finding. We know this lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. It is the lens formula. So which lens? Convex lens. Convex lens, how we are taking here? Values f value we are taking plus u value we are taking minus. So then we can write substituting here 1 by f is equal to 20 is equal to 1 by v is equal to here how much? So similarly as well as, and u is equal to u is equal to 30 centimeters. According to sign convention rules, plus it is a convex lens, plus symbol, here minus symbol. And here simplify these values. 1 by 20 is equal 1 by v plus 1 by 30. We'll take left side of 1 by 30 value, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. So here LCM is here 60. LCM is 60 is equal to 1 by v. So 20, 60, how many times it will go? 3 times. And 30, how many times? 2 times. So then what we get? V is equal to 1 by v is equal to 1 by 60. Reciprocal of the v value, v by 1 is equal to 60 by 1. So if you 60 by 1 v value we are taking always positive, that's why we are taking, that is a diminution or inverted or real image. Real image is formed. Diminution or real image is formed. And one more thing, we are applied to the sign convention formula of magnification. You know this magnification formula, m is equal to hi is divided by ho is equal v by u. V by u. So here hi is equal to, we know this value, similarly as well as, and ho 5 centimeters, v value we know this 60 centimeter, and u value is equal to how much here? 30 centimeter. So here cross multiplication 0 0 get cancelled, 3 1 3 2 3 2. So then we can apply to the sign convention. Before that u value minus. So hi is equal, so cross multiplication hi by 5 into minus 2. Then hi is equal to minus 2 centimeters. According to sign convention law of magnification of these height of images of convex lens, that is a diminution, inverted or magnified, inverted or here hi is equal to cross multiplication 5 to the 10. So what we get? Hi is equal to minus 10. So initial object it is 5, but what we get image 10. So that is the magnified. Magnified is nothing but another object. So that is the inverted or real image. That's why we have to complete this problem. First one, lens formula. Apply to that sign convention rule. What we get? Image distance. Image distance, which image? Real image. And we are applied to the magnification formula hi by ho, v by u. And we are applied to that hi is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Initial object height is equal to 5. But what we get? Image of height is equal to 10. It is compared to double than the initial object. That's why it is a magnified. Magnified is nothing but peddadainatuvantiది. So here another problem. So here an object is given, object 3 centimeter. So it is a ho is equal to 3 centimeter, and principal axis focal length is given, f is equal to 7.5 centimeter, and image distance is formed at a distance of 5 centimeter. At a distance of 5 centimeter. V is given. V is equal to how much? V is equal to how much value is given? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is given. So then we can substitute in this value here. See here, we know this lens formula. So which lens? Concave lens. So concave lens, we know the sign convention rules. F value we are taking negative, u value we are taking negative. So that's why we are taking f value here. The formula of lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So we are applying these values. 1 by f is equal to 7.5 is equal to 1 by v 5 minus 1 by u. U means similar as well. According to sign, here minus, here minus. So then what we write? So here minus 1.7.5 plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by 5. We'll take the right side. 1 by u is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7.5. So we'll remove this decimal, we are taking 0, and here 5 comma 75 LCM. So 75 5 LCM. 5 on the 5 to the 5 5 the 25 5 the 125 is LCM. So here 5 how many times it will go? 25 times. 25 plus 75 how many times it will go? In a 25 of here. So here minus minus get less value and it is equal to 1 by 5. So here here we have to simplify these values. So here minus 1 by 7.5. Okay, we'll take the left side 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by u. The LCM of 7.5 and 5, that is we'll remove this, we will take 0. That is LCM is 125. 125 how many times it will go? Of 75. Here 75 and 5 LCM. 5 on the 5. So 5 on the 5. 75 5. 5 on the 5 25 75. So 75 here 125 how many times it will take? 5 comma 75 LCM. 5 on the 5 515 the 75. So here the LCM is 515 the 15 5 the how much? 5 5 is 25. 5 on the 75 is the LCM. 75 is the LCM. So here how many times it will go? 75 one time. So that is minus 10. And 5 how many times? 15 times. 15. So here is equal to 1 by u. So here how much? 1 by u is equal to minus 25 is divided by 75. So reciprocal of this one 25 on the 25 3s are 25 3s are. Okay. So here LCM minus 10 and minus 10 minus 15. So that is minus 25 is divided by 75. 1 by u value. So then finally u by 1 is equal. So 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 3. U by 1 is equal to reciprocal of this value minus 3 by 1 centimeter. So u is equal to what you get? Minus 3 centimeter we are obtained. So below this we are applied to that magnification formula. Magnification is equal to hi by ho is equal to v by u. So what is the ho value? So hi is similarly as well as ho is equal to 3. So v value you know. So how much v value? So according to question 5, u value we are obtained minus 3. So here minus again we are applied to that sign convention rule of minus. Minus minus plus hi by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. Cross multiplication of these values what we get here. So cross multiplication. So 3 5s are. So here hi is equal to 5 into 3 is divided by 3. V3 get cancelled. Hi is equal to 5 centimeter. So initial object height image of both are same size. So what is the characteristics of that is concave lens? The concave lens is equal to what we are obtain that as characteristics of concave lens, that is erect and virtual. So that is the characteristics of concave lens. Thank you.